We'll guide you through how to import worlds into Minecraft Java. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps there's a certain world or minigame map you want to go and add in, or somebody's going to send you one. We'll guide you through how this can be done. So to get started, you need to go and quit the game. If you've already got a world you want to add in, that's fine. But to start with, I'll show you how you can go and download one. So for example, we can come to a web browser and we're going to come to a site called CurseForge. Of course, there are different places you could go and download maps and worlds from, but we're going to come to curseforge.com, select Minecraft and press browse tool at the top. We can then scroll down and come into browse by and go and select worlds. Now we're going to go and see loads of different worlds we could go and get. So for example, here I could go and get the classic Sky game map, but of course there are loads of others you could choose from, so we can go and click on it here. We can go and read about it. To get it, press files at the top. Now what we want to do is we can go and see it here. I'm going to get this one. Note down the game version, that's important. This is for 1.21.8. Press the three dots to the right and we can press download file. Then what you need to do is go and wait for this to download. It shouldn't take long. You'll see the countdown here. As you can see, we've now got it. Now, before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to place for a Minecraft server. If you need one, check out the link in the pinned comment and the description down below. At the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice as well. So if you're looking for a server, it's a great time to go and pick one up. We can go and scroll down and start checking out some of their great features. For example, instant setup. So upon purchase, you can go and be ready to play in seconds. And of course, you can start playing with your friends. 24/7 service and support mean you can get the help anytime you need it. So if you're interested, I'll link them down below. Now, what we need to do is we need to come and open up the Minecraft launcher. So press search at the bottom and you can then go and type it in like so. Wait for this to go and load. What we need to do is go and head into the Minecraft files. We'll guide you through how you can go about this. Go to the top and press installations. Now, what we need to do is we need to go and install the version we need. So in this case, I need it for 1.21.8 as we looked at on CurseForge. You may go and have a different version though. In my case, I already have 1.21.8 installed as the latest version. If it's an older version, press new installation in the top left and you can go and choose the version you want, scroll back and you can install it. After you've installed it, you need to go and find it. I'm using 1.21.8, so hover over it and press installations folder to the right. Then in here, you want to go and scroll down and go and find saves. Here it is. Now what we need to do is go and add in what we went and downloaded. So let's go and open up our downloads here. In this case, this is a zip file. So go and click on it and we need to go and extract it by clicking it and pressing extract all. We then have the folder here. When you come into it, you want to make sure it goes straight into the files, which this does. And then you can drag and drop that folder into the saves, like so. Go to the right of the version and press play. Now let's come into single player and we need to go and find the world. I've got quite a few here, so we can go and search for it at the top. I can then go and click on it and I can go and press play selected world and we can go and play it. We've gone and successfully imported it and I can go and start the game. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you in the next one with more guides. Of course, there are loads of different maps out there as well, so you can go and start playing them. If you need a Minecraft server, make sure you go and check out CurseForge as well.